welcome back to my shop. I'm Carl from Bear Creek Woodworking. I hope that you can tell the difference behind me and so forth in the lighting, because the past few days I've been installing some LED lights in my shop. I've been trying to improve my lighting, stepping up my game in order to improve my video quality and my photography quality for YouTube and Instagram, but also just so I can see better while I'm working. It's been bright enough, but a little bit on the dim side at times when you get in there really close on a project and you want to see a fine line or so forth. So this new lighting should really help me out. Now I'd like to show you what I've been doing over the past few days and explain it to you. Now I started out with, there's 5 fixtures of fluorescent lighting. Each fixture had 2 light bulbs in it, and they were each 4 foot long. And I've been using that for quite a while now. And that's what you've been seeing in these videos for the past couple of years. Well, now I installed 9 more 4 foot LEDs. They have 5,000 lumens and it's 4,000 bright light quality. So 4K and 5,000 lumens is the new lights, and there's 9 of them. And it really brightens up the shop a whole lot. And I'm going to show you some before and after pictures in different areas of my shop, so that you can really pick up, okay, this is the difference now, you know. I'm hoping right now from my previous videos you can just, between my face, between my background, I'm hoping you can tell the difference. But yeah, so let's go on and I'll show you some before and after stuff right now. Okay, I'd like to take the time to explain these lights to you a little bit better, so how easy they are to install. Now this is an existing shop, of course, so I went with the really easy approach of doing these LEDs. All they simply do is plug in over here, and anyhow, they have a pull chain if you want them, but I'm not using it on the right hand side. One light right into the other one. So it's real simple. There's no wiring for you to do anything, just hang them up and plug them in. That's all you do. I got these 2 hooked together like that. So it's really simple. I'm very impressed with them. They really light up my shop really nice. Here, I'll show you the difference right here. This is, of course, off. I'm going to blind you for a second when I turn them on. So there you can clearly see the difference. So I'm really happy and also very excited about the lighting in my shop now. You know, between my tool cabinet build and the lighting in my shop, the shop has a really different feel to it, a different vibe to it. It's much more appealing, much more inviting. I've always enjoyed spending time here, but I like spending time here even better now, if that's possible, and it is. It just feels very inviting and warm when I walk into the light, bright light. You want to do some work, you can see it easily, but also just the brightness of a shop makes it feel much more appealing and welcoming. So I really like that, and I'm going to enjoy this for many years to come. So you might want to consider doing something like this in your shop too, so I hope this video has been useful to you. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good YouTube stuff. I really appreciate it, and really does help out my channel. Also, there's some Amazon links below. Go check those out, and if you happen to buy through those links, it does help out my channel at no extra cost to you. And just like to say thank you. The best thing you can do is just watch my videos. So thank you so much for watching my videos. I really do appreciate it. I really do read all the comments down below also, just so you know. I try to get back to everybody. And until next time, thanks for watching and have a great day.